Hello and welcome back to the Home Bookkeeper YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Emily, a home bookkeeper and solo parent who traded corporate finance for a flexible work-from-home career. And in today's video, we're getting real about the pros and cons of being a bookkeeper. Because yes, bookkeeping is an amazing career choice, but it's not all spreadsheets and coffee shop freedom. So if you've been thinking about becoming a bookkeeper, or you just want to know what it's really like behind the scenes, stick around, this video's for you. Let's start with one of the biggest perks, and that's freedom. As a bookkeeper, you can literally work from anywhere. Your home office, a coffee shop, while traveling, all you need is your laptop, Wi-Fi, and access to QuickBooks Online. As a solo parent, this one is huge for me, and that is flexible hours. I can plan my work around my family, not the other way around. Need to take kids to appointments? Done. Want to work early in the mornings or late in the evenings? Totally fine. Most clients don't care when you work, as long as you meet deadlines. Now, pro number 3 is that bookkeeping is steady in demand. Bookkeeping isn't going anywhere. Every business, big or small, needs someone to manage their money. And since more businesses are moving online, remote bookkeeping is growing fast. So even if you start part-time, there's long-term stability here. And pro number 4, low startup costs. You don't need a fancy degree or expensive equipment to start being a bookkeeper. A computer, internet, and bookkeeping software like QuickBooks Online are all you really need. If you're resourceful and willing to learn, you can start your own bookkeeping business on a shoestring budget. And pro number 5, great income potential. Let's talk money because it's pretty good. Most beginner bookkeepers earn between $25 and $40 an hour. But as you gain experience and find a niche, you can charge $60 to $100 or more an hour. And if you build a small client base, you can easily create a full-time income from home or really anywhere you want. Okay, so those are the top most popular pros. And they're pretty amazing, right? But I also promise to talk about the cons because this job, like any other, comes with its own set of challenges. So let's go ahead and get into those. Bookkeeping is desk-heavy work. You'll spend hours sitting, staring at spreadsheets and reports on a computer. If you're not careful, it can get a little sedentary. So I recommend scheduling movement breaks or even using a standing desk. Con number 2, deadlines and accuracy pressure. Bookkeeping is all about accuracy and deadlines. Clients rely on you to deliver clean, organized financials, and mistakes can cost them money or stress. So if you're not detail-oriented or tend to procrastinate, it can feel overwhelming at times. Con number 3, client management can be a little tricky. Okay, let's be real. Not every client is going to be picture perfect, easy peasy. Some forget to send documents. They mix business with personal expenses or expect you to be available 24/7. You'll need strong boundaries and clear communication to manage your workload and your sanity. Con number 4, ongoing learning. QuickBooks, tax laws, and business tools change all the time. You'll need to keep learning, whether through certifications, webinars, or YouTube tutorials just like these. I personally love that. But if you prefer a job that never changes, maybe bookkeeping might frustrate you a little bit. And con number 5, you're the boss. When you work for yourself, you get all the freedom, but also all of the responsibility. There's no paid time off. There's no HR department. No one to pick up the slack if you're sick. It's empowering, but it takes discipline to manage your business like, well, a business. So there you have it. The honest pros and cons of being a bookkeeper. It's flexible, fulfilling, and profitable, but it also requires focus, responsibility, and self-motivation. For me, the pros far outweigh the cons 100 times over. And if you're ready to explore bookkeeping as a real career, check out my other free videos here on YouTube. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more work from home tips, and comment below. What's one pro or con that stands out to you about being a bookkeeper? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.